Hi, my name is Sarah with Facial Beauty Dental, and today I'd like to talk to you about having a custom bridge made specifically for you. Bridges are basically crowns attached together to replace a missing tooth with a false tooth in its place. The false tooth is suspended between two or more crowns. Bridges are made with our CEREC digital scanner. In most cases, we can design, mill, and cement it into your mouth all in the same day. We normally do this to replace the missing tooth because the tooth above or below that can erupt and cause you to have more missing teeth. Bridges are one of the many options to replace missing teeth to continue to have a gapless, beautiful smile. Bridges are one unit, so they do require special care. You have to use a floss threader to floss underneath to keep the teeth healthy, or use an air water flosser. For more information on how we can provide for you a custom bridge, please call us at Facial Beauty Dental today, where a beautiful smile increases your face value.